Using your own way, bring yourself into a relaxed state. Ground and center yourself by taking a few deep breaths. Allow your awareness to be in the present moment. Say this invocation silently or out loud. In the presence of I am that I am, I invoke the violet flame to blaze forth from the center of my heart, penetrating into my every cells and space of my body, expanding out, surrounding my entire being. With the power of the violet flame, I ask to transmute and cleanse everything that does not serve to my highest good, including any negative thoughts, emotions, false beliefs, limitations, challenges, in all levels, in all dimensions, past, present, future, into love, abundance, peace, and joy. Raising my vibrations to the highest level possible for me at this time. So be it, and so it is. Thank you, Master St.Germain, for the assistance.